System Verilog origins. Under this topic, Accelera System Verilog standards and donations to System Verilog. These are all the subtopics we are going to see under this System Verilog origins. Next, we are going to see about System Verilog enhancements for hardware design. Okay, shall we proceed? First, why System Verilog? System Verilog is an HDVL, hardware description and verification language. Using a single unified language enables engineer to model a large complex designs and verify that these designs are functionally correct or not. For hardware design, to design a hardware, what are the enhancements they made in this language? Now we are going to discuss about those things. In that, the first thing is we are going to see about the extension to data types for better encapsulation and compactness of code and for tighter specification. For this, what are the things they have added? Look at here in C data type. So first, C data types. In C language, we have seen int, long int, short int, all those things, right? So but in Verilog, do we have those constructs? No, but System Verilog is integrated that C here. So C data types, int, typedef and struct, union, enum, all those things are added here. Okay, then other data types, if you come to other data types, bounded queues, logic. We have one more data type, that is logic. Logic means it will have 4 values, 0, 1, x, z, all those 4 values. Then bit is a data type. Bit means it will have only 2 values, either 0 or 1. And tagged unions for safety. Unions, you know, right? In the C we know two concepts, structures and unions. So here tagged unions, we have the tag for unions. And if you come to memory management, for freeing users from deallocation issues, for that here we are having memory management enhancements. Then dynamic casting and bitstream casting. At last, automatic and static specification on a per variable instance basis. If you look at System Verilog on 1995, there we don't have automatic and all, right? For if you want to declare a function, that we don't have such a kind of facility, but here we have automatic static specification. Next, procedural statements. In procedural statements, what are the things they have added here? Pattern matching on selection statements for use with the tagged unions. In Verilog, it is it's not possible to detect a particular pattern, right? We don't have any construct, but here we have the pattern matching statement. Then enhanced loop statements plus for each statement. In Verilog, again in Verilog we have for loop, right? But we don't have for each. For each.
What is the difference between for each?
Yeah, for in the for loop you can mention the starting and the end of that loop, right? 1 to 10, so it will execute 10 times. But for each you can mention for each one variable, I is equal to 2, 3, like that. You can mention in that way, so it will execute only for those values, like that. Then C like jump statements. In C we are having return, break, continue. So in System Verilog they have added all those things. Then final blocks that executes at the end of the simulation. Inverse of initial. Verilog we are having initial, right? So here we have final blocks. Then extended event control and sequence events. We know event control operators, right? And all those things. So here we have some more extra events, sequence events.